Hello everyone. Let us start with our today's tutorial on Tableau. In today's tutorial, the data that we are going to upload in Tableau is this Excel sheet. So basically, this is the Excel sheet. This is the data that I've got from Instagram. This data is related to a content, and this shows that how many men and how many women between which age watch our content the most. Let's get started. I'll quickly open my Tableau. When you open Tableau, the first thing that appears is the screen. Now, since my data is in Microsoft Excel format, I'll click on Microsoft Excel and the name of our file is audience. So I'll click on audience and open. When you open the file, this is the first page that will appear. If you see over here at the top, there is ABC written. The reason it is written like this is because Tableau by default is taking age as a string. When you click on this, you will see that the data type that is taken is string, and the data type for men and women is taken as number, and it since it is a decimal, Tableau is taking the way it is in the way it is in the Excel sheet. You can see over here that in Excel sheet also we have it in the decimal format. Now we'll go to sheet 1. So this is basically the workspace where when you when you draw some graphs, it is reflected over here. For example, if you see over here, men, I'm just dragging these headers and putting it in the rows. And this is the by default graph that we get for Tableau. Now let us say that you want to change the format. Tableau has made our work very easy because when you click on show me, these are the different types of graphs. The ones which are highlighted are the most suitable for this data, which we can use. If you want to see the name, you can check at the last row over here. There are below the last row. There you can see that, for example, this is the data type that is selected, and the name of the data type is scatter plots. Now I'll use the side by side bars. When you click on it, Tableau quickly gives you the graph that we want, and then you just close it. If you see on the right hand side, there is an index which shows men and women, where men are highlighted by blue color and women are highlighted by orange color. Now let us say that I want to change the color. So what I can do is I can click over here. If you see there is a down arrow, just click on it and click on edit colors. So when you see edit colors, when you see edit colors there you can see that there's men and women. So if you want to change the colors, you can just click like this on men, and let's say you can color it to red, and woman maybe blue or yellow, whichever you like. If you click on the select color palette, there are even different types of shades which you can choose. For example, for women, maybe you can choose pink, and for men, maybe some other color if you like. And when you press apply, the color is high. The color over here you can see that the colors that you choose have been given over here. Now I'm just choosing a different color because it is very difficult to understand which one is red and pink, and just click on OK. Now, if you want to make the size of this graph bit big, then just stretch it from here, and now you can see that the graph has become a bit big. You can even stretch it more till the dotted line like this. Now, let us say that I want to, put the labels over here. For example, if you just hover your cursor over here, you can see that 25.10 women have watched, but I'm not able to see the exact number unless and until I move my cursor over there. So what I'll do is I'll go to the labels, I'll click this show mark labels, and you can see that the exact number has appeared. Now, let us say that you want to change the thickness of the bar graphs. Then you can just go on size, and if you pull it backwards, then you can see that the thickness has changed. For now, we'll keep the thickness this much. Now, let us say that you want to change the name of the sheet. Right now it is sheet 1, but I'll quickly change it to age and gender. And if you want to change the font, here you can click on Poppins. When you click enter, automatically everything will be applied. You can even, with the help of these three icons, you can even, centralize it, or maybe put it at the right hand side. When you click, for now we'll centralize it and click on apply and press OK. Now, when you click on bold, the text automatically gets bold. Even you can change the color from black to any whichever color you like and press apply. Let us say that you want to format the x-axis, the y-axis, and all the columns over here. So you'll just select by left clicking and then right click and click on format. When you click on format, you can see that the font that we have over here is Tableau book and the size is 9, and there is and it is not bold or italic. So let us say that you want to change it to some other font. Now my favorite font is Poppins, which I have specially downloaded. And black, for example. Let's say that you want to increase the size from maybe 13, you want to put, but for an instance, it is not shown over here. So you can just simply put 13 and press enter. But I think 10 is more suitable than 13 or any other font. And just press OK. So the same way you're going to format. Now, when you click over here, you can see that on the left hand side, since you have clicked it on the left hand side, it has redirected to the pane format, to the pane, and just change it to Poppins, bold, and black. So once you click format and then just hover it or click it through the graph, automatically Tableau will understand that what changes do you want to make, and it will automatically redirect you to those changes. Now the tricky part over here is that you can see everything has become bold except for the mark labels. Now, how to make them bold is you go to labels, then you click on font over here, and then you put whichever font you like. Now, if you enter some wrong spelling, Tableau will not be able to understand and it will use some another font. So make sure that you're putting the spelling right. So this is the way through which we can format and we can use Tableau as a data visualization tool. For similar tutorials like this, please like, share, and subscribe and follow for more. Thank you very much.